Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib and I am the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/PMCLounge. If it's your first time here, we are all about PMP and project management. So consider subscribing to the YouTube channel if you want more such free content. Question for this video: is PMBOK Guide Edition 7 releasing in July 2020? The PMBOK Guide Edition 7, is it coming out? The short answer is absolutely no. It is not coming out in July 2020. You see, one of the resources that PMI uses to design the PMP exam is the PMBOK Guide. Now, since the PMP exam is changing from July 1, you might think that the PMBOK Guide is changing too, but that is actually not the case. There is another important resource, one of the many important resources that PMI uses to design the exam. Another important resource that decides the framework of the PMP exam is the PMI's exam content outline, and that is what's causing this change starting July 1, because the exam content outline is changing. We have already covered the change in the exam content outline, and that video will be linked in the description below. As per the Project Management Prepcast website, one of the very respected and popular websites around project management and PMP certification, as per that website, the PMBOK Guide Edition 7 is not expected until 2023, which makes sense because PMBOK Guide actually changes once every about 4 years, and the PMBOK Guide Edition 6 came out in 2019. This also means that you should continue to use the PMBOK Guide Edition 6 as a reference book for preparing for your PMP exam even after July 1. So the bottom line is that the PMBOK Guide Edition 7 is not coming out in July. You can relax and you can continue using the PMBOK Guide Edition 6 for your PMP exam preparation. So I hope you found this video helpful. Smash that like button if you did, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the website PMCLounge.com, your #1 free PMP resource. Thank you and have a nice day.